Morning, bachcho. Today I am going to teach you the budgetary deficit, the important topic of government budget. Now, what is budgetary deficit means? The budgetary deficit is the difference between total expenditure and total income, total receipt of the government. It means simply the government have different sources of income, as well as government have to expend for different project. So this difference is called budgetary deficit. And if total expenditure is total expenditure is greater than total receipt, या सिंपल लैंग्वेज में कहें, सरकार का अगर खर्च ज़्यादा हो और सरकार की इनकम कम हो तो बजटरी डेफिसिट होता है. Budgetary now implication of government budget. It is the most popular form of government budget. Most of the democratic country prepares deficit budget because it economist believes that it increases human welfare and government expenditure as well as, but it has some implication. The first implication, it may rise to inflation because government expenditure is more than government receipt. It means that government is borrowing and expending for human welfare, so the income of the people may continuously increase. As a result, inflation and price rise may happen. Second implication, budgetary deficit may debt trap the government, means it further may decrease the source of income for the government because the borrowed money and the disinvestment both reduces income of the government, which further increases the budgetary deficit. Now, types of budgetary deficit. First one is revenue deficit. Revenue deficit, when revenue expenditure is greater than revenue receipt, then it is called revenue deficit. For example, if for running a hospital, government expend a project and the income received by it is lesser than government expenditure, then it is called a revenue receipt. Revenue receipt, yeah, revenue deficit. Revenue deficit, the deficit of the revenue may be utilized from the capital receipt. It further increases pressure on capital receipt. Now, fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit is commonly known as the borrowing. It indicates, it shows how much government had to borrow from the different sources, internal and external sources, for meeting its obligations. So budgetary deficit, fiscal deficit, the economist believes that it should be under control. It should never be greater than 5% of GDP. Nowadays, we have the 3.5% of the GDP in a fiscal deficit. It should not exceed than 5%. If it exceed than 5%, then it may have improper consequences, just like a debt trap of the government, inflation, and different others. So fiscal deficit shows borrowing liability or borrowing requirement of the government, but it may also lead to debt trap to the government. It may also, if it is not controlled, it may also reduces further income of the government. Now, primary deficit. Primary deficit is equals to fiscal deficit minus interest payment or borrowing minus interest payment. Zero primary deficit indicates that the government is borrowing for interest payment. It is the extreme condition. It means the our government have to borrow for repayment of the interest. It shows the primary deficit. Thank you and have a nice day.